Hi children, in this video we are going to see an introduction to ratio and proportion. Dear children, in our day-to-day life we compare one quantity with another quantity of the same kind, isn't it? There are two ways of comparison. One is comparison by difference. That means difference means we have to do subtraction. And the next one, comparison by quotient. Let us see with an example. In a class, there are 25 boys and 35 girls. So, how will you compare the number of boys and girls in the class? Let us see with the comparison by difference. So, number of girls is bigger and number of boys are less, isn't it? So, when you subtract 25 from 35, we get 10. The difference is 10. That means number of girls in the class is more than how much? 10 students more than the number of boys. So this way of comparison we call it as by difference. So another method we can compare by quotient, isn't it? So 25 number of boys divided by number of girls. So what is the common factors here? 5 table, isn't it? 25. So 5 5s are 25. 5 7s are 35. So 5 by 7. I can write 5 by 7 as 5 is to 7. If I write in this form, we call it as ratio. Here, the ratio is between the number of boys to the number of girls. And this symbol, we call it as is to. We read it as is to. 5 is to 7. In this, 5 is the numerator and 7 is the denominator. So, numerator and denominator is separated by is to. Not by division symbol. It is separated by is to symbol. That is the colon symbol. 5 is to 7. Now we see the properties of ratio. First one, a ratio is usually expressed in the simplest form. Let us see an example. See, if it is like this, there is 12 by 36. It should be in the simplest form, isn't it? Ratio should be in the simplest form. So we have to reduce this to the simplest form. So how can we reduce? 1 by 3. So 12 3s are 36. So 1 by 3. How can we write in ratio form? 1 is to 3. Are you clear? So ratio should be in the simplest form. Second one, both the quantities should be in the same unit. Then only we can compare. So for example, 200 gram to 2 kilogram. They are different units, isn't it? This is gram and this is kilogram. I cannot compare with gram and kilogram. What I have to do? I have to change to same unit. So 200 gram to 2 kilogram is converted to gram. That means we get 2000 gram. Then I can write it in ratio form. 200 is to 2000. See children, when I write in ratio form, I won't write the units. That means ratio is mere a number. So we should not involve any unit. And it should be a simplest form. So I have to reduce this. So how can I reduce? 1 is to 10. So 200 into 10 we get 2000, isn't it? So 1 is to 10. This is the simplest form, and this is the ratio for the given quantity. Third property, we cannot change the order of the quantities in a ratio. See children, we have seen already this example, isn't it? In a class there are 25 boys and 35 girls, isn't it? So boys to girls. So number of boys to the girls means 25 is to 30. Isn't that, sorry, 35, isn't it? And we cannot change the order. 35 is to 25. That means boys are 35 and girls are 25. So it totally changed the meaning. So we cannot change the order of the ratio. So see, 5 is to 6 is different, and it is not equal to 6 is to 5. Are you clear? See, 5 is to 6 is different ratio, and this is not equal to 6 is to 5. I just interchange the order, but it is not equal to. So this is not correct. That means we cannot change the order of the quantities in a ratio. I hope you have understood what is a ratio, and it's a mere comparison of two quantities by quotient method, that is by division method. And we have seen the properties of the ratio also. Please subscribe my channel and like my channel. Watch full video and give your comments in the comment box. Thank you for watching.